not buying a treadmill this year because it's just way too expensive. Good morning. Okay, I'm going to install it. I just got back from Aldi and I found these like solar lights, and as you guys know, we have this beautiful new patio and I've been trying to like decorate and do different things. So it's only a 2-pack. I want to put them somewhere when you first walk out of the onto the patio to kind of ground it. I don't know, I think it'll look cute, but it was only $7 at Aldi. Not a bad deal at all. And then, oh, I gotta show you that. Okay, so all of these beautiful hostas that I love so much, and when we were trying to get the grass to grow back, there was like a random hosta in the middle, and I'm wondering if they like accidentally dug up and accidentally replanted the hosta. So I pulled it yesterday and I put it, clearly there's grass all around it, but I pulled it yesterday and I put it in this planter, and then I just for now place this faux hydrangea in there. I gotta get something to go in this beautiful pot. You guys, gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and it was only $30. It was such a good deal. And then I want like a smaller planter here that's gonna be like a tan natural color as well. We also had a storm the other day and part of a tree fell. The branch is there for now, and hopefully we'll have somebody pick it up. Recording at the store, but although I love this patio and I do want to get into like planting flowers and things, I just don't have a green thumb right now. So I found these very pretty faux hydrangea bush, and I'm either thinking of putting it in this beautiful pot that I love, or I have another of that black planter. So I'm gonna try them out in both and see what I like most. Okay, I think it looks good in that planter. I want to fill it up with dirt so that way it looks more realistic, but for now I think it's cute and it looks really good in my pot, you guys. I love it. babe has convinced me to get a Blackstone. It was on sale. It was like $200 off at Target. So she convinced me, and we are putting it together. Lord have mercy. The instruction manual said 30 minutes. It did not take 30 minutes, but it does look really nice. You excited? Yes. Good morning. I'm at my sister's. I look crazy because I just like woke up. But I'm at my sister's because she just got a Peloton treadmill. She convinced me to get the bike last year. I'm not buying the treadmill this year because it's just way too expensive. But what I am gonna do is go to her house and use her treadmill